This question is from GATE 2008 Electronics. So it says that consider the frequency modulated signal. So this is the frequency modulated signal tan cos of 2 pi into 10 to the power of 5t plus 5 sin 2 pi into 1500t plus 7.5 sin of 2 pi into 1000t with carrier frequency of 10 to the power 5 Hz. So we have to find the modulation index. So modulation index is given by maximum frequency deviation delta F maximum upon the maximum frequency of the message signal. So this signal is of the general form A cos of omega ct plus beta 1 sin of 2 pi f1t plus beta 2 sin of 2 pi into f2t. This is the general form of this FM signal. So here the maximum frequency deviation is given by beta 1 into f1 plus beta 2 into f2. So beta 1 is 5. From we can compare this with this. So beta 1 is 5. f1 is 1500. Beta 2 is 7.5. So beta 2 is 7.5 and f2 is 1000. So f2 is 1000. So delta F maximum will be equal to, using this formula, beta 1 into f1, so 7500 plus beta 2 into f2, again 7500. So 7500 plus 7500 is 15,000. So 15,000 kilohertz. Sorry, 15,000 hertz. And FM, from here we can see F1 is 1500, F2 is 1000. So this is the maximum frequency. So FM is 1500. So modulation index will be equal to delta F max upon FM using this formula. So delta F max we have found 15,000. And FM we have found from F1 and F2 the highest is 1500. So upon 1500. In this we have to find the maximum frequency of the message signal. We do not have to see the carrier frequency. See, this is carrier frequency. We don't want this frequency. We want the maximum frequency out of this and out of this frequency. So out of this the maximum frequency is 1500. Don't get confused in this. This is the carrier frequency because it says that carrier frequency of 10 to the power 5. So when we solve this, then we get modulation index equal to 10. So the correct option is option B, 10. Thank you.